Hey guys, so today I'm back, new video, and this is going to be the first intermediate, or however the hell you say it, video that I'm creating. And yeah, so today I'm going to be creating keylines and basic GUIs. So I'm just going to show you guys, how to make a basic GUI first. So let's get to it. So you're going to name it whatever the hell you want. So I'm just going to call it, teleport before it got set up. I don't know what I'm doing because I attempted to make a video, and when I was done with it, I accidentally clicked the delete button. That's how much of a fail I am when I tried to delete something else. Right, so let me just show you this interface. So you got your show grid. It shows this grid. I usually keep it on. Show axis, which does nothing right now, and show GUI window frame, which is the yellow box around stuff. And that's information. The component list, once you add stuff, it pops up there as a list. You can add buttons, images, text labels, separators, and text inputs. You can have a background or no background, and the width, the height, and the type. Right now it's only basic, but it's planned to add more. And once you add a component, you can click it up there, and you can either remove it or move it there. Complete editing, cancel, and help. And yeah, that brings up a page. So right now, so first thing we're going to do is get the right width and height we want it. Oh, I'm gonna turn that off. So I will be making a teleport GUI, but this is only one of the examples of what you can do. I'm gonna make it that big. So adding text label. So you just enter text. You can enter variables if you know how to use them. If not, that'll be one of the future tutorials I will do. So enter what you want. I'm gonna call it teleport GUI, and you click this to change color, and pop up this. So just try and find a color you like, and it'll give you that. I'm gonna go with the same color, a bit greenish. Oh, I like that. I'm going with that. Get rid of it. So I want to find the center for this. So mine's all even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That makes 8 center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the center. I'll try to make this even. Yeah, that. I'm going to grid off, and that's what it looks like in game. So now, what is separator? So I'm going to add a separator here. And so this is pretty much a line of things you'll see in a minute. Yep, you can't change its color, and to change its length you have to go to where you want the start of it to be, right click it, and then resize it, but currently this does not work. So I'm just going to remove that, add separator, try and get it even. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm gonna add an image in. So pretty much you can go create an image. So the width and the height over here, it's in pixels. So 1 minute, 24 hours. Okay, so the in pixels. So I've already created an image, as you can see over there, and yes, 100 by 100, not that big. That's not right. Okay, they're not pixels. You can tell because this is 100 by 100 pixels. Oh wait, no, they are pixels. Sorry. I just remembered because when I was making the video before this happened, it goes bigger. Yeah, like that. So that's 100 by 100. Still doesn't look like that might be pixels. I'm not sure. Doesn't matter. So that's gonna be my picture. That's a guy. He teleported from there to there. From there to there on a purple teleporting pad thing. It's maybe paint. Don't judge. Yeah. Not sure if transparency works. So now I'm going to add in a text input. So if you want to name something, it's going to be very important. So it says here, if you use a text field name, example name, tag in the events of this GUI, this will be replaced with the content of the text input. The numerical parameters use num text field name tag. Check MCreator wiki or forums, or check for tutorials to learn more. So I kind of worked this out by myself. It took me a while back actually, when they first implemented GUIs. So pretty much what you name it. So I'm going to name it, for example, X. Okay, I'm going to call it X chords. So if you use bracket name bracket, so example bracket X chords bracket, tag in the event of this GUI will be replaced with the content of the text input. The numerical parameters use num bracket num in caps colon I'm about to say this, but I'm not. Okay, I didn't myself. Okay, so bracket num colon X chords bracket. So pretty much what this means is what is entered in this text field will be replaced, like, because you have, I'll explain it later, just this way. X chords. Yeah, Control C. I figured that was actually this new component. Damn it, I can't change the size. Okay, let me just recreate that quickly. So I'm just gonna call it text chords. Scores. Default text is what default is it's gonna be in. So it's gonna wait. So what's gonna be written in there defaultly? Let me just quickly create this. Oh, kind of failed at that, but okay. Another one. And it's gonna be called okay, that would do. So now the only thing we haven't added is a button. So what you want the text of the button to be, so for this example I'm going to call it teleport. I'm going to call it teleport to chords, so short for coordinates. And then you can add events to this button. So pretty much for this example you can go look at all these, but I'm going to go with teleport. So as I was saying, that bracket thingamabobble. So pretty much it's bracket num and then you enter the name, and so whatever's entered in that text field will be replaced in this event. So for example, whatever's entered in that X field will be replaced in this X chords num thing, providing it's a number. If it's not a number, then it's not going to work. And this one's Y. This one's Z. So when I enter X, Y, Z there, it's gonna, this here, gonna be replaced with the numbers you entered. Pretty much, if that makes any sense to you at all. So I'm gonna go ahead, add that, and I'm gonna put it there. Okay, sorry about that. I just had to pause for a minute. So yeah, so this is gonna be my GUI. I'm gonna add text label here. I'm going to make it I'm gonna make it this blue. Yep. And I'm just gonna write a short description. Yeah, just realized something. I stuffed that up. I've done this before, as I said, and it's stuffed up on me because I deleted my video. So, and I kind of got an idea of what I want to try and recreate. So, text of a button, yep. Teleport to chords. I'm just gonna recreate this. Teleport. I'm gonna go ahead, copy that, paste that, and I'm gonna do X, Y, Z. And then I'm gonna, oh shit, I stuffed that freaking rush in it. Okay. Make sure I do this right this time. So I want to go to teleport. Oh, I'm already on it. Okay, let's imagine that didn't happen. Before I forget, has player has an item in the inventory. What do you call it? What do you call it? No, it starts with G. No, it doesn't. It starts with emerald. Close enough. So if the player has an emerald, teleport them to the chords they entered. So X chords, Y chords, Z chords. So if they have an emerald, teleport them to where they want to go, and then delete that emerald. So it costs an emerald to teleport. Yeah, that's how I want to do it. Okay, now I'm gonna add my quick description. 1 minute. I'm just gonna check how long this video's been going for. 15 minutes, not that bad. I'm gonna add text label. I'm gonna say, okay, this teleport GUI was designed to teleport you around your world at a cost of gonna make that same colorish. That okay. Didn't realize it was gonna. Oh shit. Yeah, it's bad color anyway. Okay, let's screw that. So let's just keep like that for now. You could add a description if you want to. Remember, you can't have breaks. I don't think so. Try not to enter it all in one like I did. So complete editing, click finished, let it recompile, and I'm just going to show you how to make keybind. Oh, I can't do that yet. No, don't worry. I'm going to call it the keybind. Oh no, teleport keybind. I'm going to yeah. So last time I had it on V, so I'm just going to keep it on V. Don't know why. You can do this in creative or survival. You check for an item, so you gotta have the emerald in your inventory. When you click B, then it'll open GUI. Then you gotta have an emerald before it teleports you, and then delete it like straight away. So yeah. And the event. So when it's clicked, you can open basic GUIs, and you can open your GUIs. So I'm gonna click OK, gonna click finished, and we are done. Gonna let this recompile, and we'll be done. So while I've got a chance, I'm just going to show you this. So now that we've done those two things in intermediate, which were there before I deleted, but yeah. So this is roughly the order I'm going to do stuff in. So I'm going to finish intermediate, go to advanced. I'm going to try some custom tutorials as requested. If you guys request some, I might try that out. Kind of an idea. And then those were some other things that I thought I could occasionally do. Okay. Well, they're a one-time thing, but my MCreator mod reviews was, yeah, that's, yeah, you guys know what I mean. So, next I'm probably going to do is armor. Plants is probably going to be a short one. Yep, I just thought of another, okay. Then it's going to be mobs. Just basic mods we've already, models. We have preset models. I'm going to show you how to add more. Oh my god. Then biomes, dimensions, how to add a gun, an achievement, command, and a fluid. Then in advanced, it's going to be. Wait. Fluid's going to be before. Swap fluid with. We'll put fluid in there. And do. Yeah, that order. Okay. Then I'm also going to add blocks, custom models. TX blocks, which I currently don't know what they are, so I'm not sure if they're advanced or in medium. So, and yeah, oh, we have custom model blocks there, so yeah, I can delete that, but yeah, mobs too. And yeah, that's it for now. And structure gems. So, yeah, what I just showed you guys that. So now let's get out of that. Launch up MCreator Minecraft thing and test it out. So I'm just gonna pause it and come back when it's done. Okay guys, load it up, so I'm just gonna go into our survival world and show you it. Yeah, as you can see, I was already had this prepared. So I'm just gonna see something. So look at options, not language. If I go to controls, I'm not sure if it's gonna show up in here. Let me just check. It does. Key dot toot underscore infantry key.tutorial catalog. So when you click B, oh sweet, I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that to M. Done. 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 Click M. Ha! It works. That's pretty cool. So as I said before, oh well, that's a big glitch right there. It's half. It's like one, and then that's another one. So as I said before, this is the default text. So I'm gonna put in x coords of 0, y coords of 0, and z coords of 0. As you can see, there are animals in the background, and I teleport to my coordinations. Wow, there are still animals in the background. Actually, there are a lot of animals at this time. Okay. So if I go, I didn't even teleport. Actually, I'm gonna make this minus 11990. Make sure I'm 8 in the air, and minus 890 as well. Teleport. Yeah, it teleported that time, but it didn't teleport to 0, 0. I think that's probably because it's not a loaded chunk. So, probably didn't teleport me to that, so that's a pretty good thing. So, yep, that's been my tutorial for today. Hope you guys enjoy. It's first intermediate tutorial. And I hope to see you guys subscribe, like, go make a mod. What the hell? I just had a dirt piece, tried to place it, and it turned into an emerald. Did everyone just see that? Ooh, mod options. Test 1, test 2 disabled. Makes sense. Okay. Gonna get 10 dirt blocks. What's this time? Wait, let me try this. Oh, it's 6 bad. I'm gonna be on this. I'm gonna click M. Okay, it crashes if you don't enter. If you enter in words. Keep that in mind. Okay, well, see you guys later. Yeah, so, yeah, bye.